Hello all, we are going to develop the program number 2. The question is asked to design a simple calculator using functions. So let me define the functions. So I'll write here some function and two parameters called x comma y are passed here. So simply it will return x plus y, then define difference or subtraction x comma y are the two parameters when it are being passed, return x minus y. The third function is product or multiplication, x comma y are passed, then it has to return x multiplied by y. The last function is divide x comma y are the two parameters, then it return x divided by y. Let us go for writing the remaining code of the program. Print, then slash n, what you would like to perform, what you would like to do. Simple, right? Here it's a question mark, then colon, then this, then this. Then I'll write print options are slash n, 1 for addition, slash n, 2 for subtraction, slash n, 3 for multiplication, slash n, 4 for division, then slash n. Now I will write the variable called choice is equals to input of, then I will say enter your choice. That's it. So I'll make here double quote, done. Now I'll write the variables we read. So I'll be converting the variables to integer type. That's why I'm writing int of input of enter number 1, right? So here I'll be taking, then we'll be writing b also. B is equals to int of, sorry, here one more bracket to be closed, I forgot, int of input of enter number 2, then colon, close. That's it, done. Now if choice is double equals to, I'm taking the value in terms of string parameter, right, in single quotations. So print of what we want to print, a comma symbol is plus comma b, a plus b, then comma double quotation equals to comma calling of sum of a comma b, right, done. The same way I will write else if choice is equals to 2, then print function will provide a, then print a minus Then B, if we want spaces here, we have to take inside only, right? So inside of the double quotations, that's why I'm adding here A comma B, then double quotes equals to, then comma, different function which we had written A comma B, right? So A plus A comma B double quotation close, difference function, whether it will works. Okay, same I will copy, sir. Here the else is there. This else if I will be copying for next two. One time, another time. So here if it is 3, we will say multiplication. Here also I will write PROD, products. Here I say divided or division. Here I say div. Okay. Last is else. We will say print invalid choice value entered. Re-enter correct. I'll stop here. Okay, that's all in this program. Let us see. File, save, program2.py, save, then run. There is some colon expected, it is saying else if. So it is elif in terms of Python, no elif, right? File, save, run module. Still it is asking for else here, right? Run module. Source must be saved, yes sir. Line number 25. Okay, here it should come. File, save, then run. What you would like to do: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Let us say 1, 12, 24. It is displayed the sum. 12 plus 24 is 36. Okay, this is the output which is associated with this program. Okay,